guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detail Detective YouTube channel. And today we're trying out some new product from dMAX, and this is a wheel cleaner with iron fallout in it. So these guys sent over the products a few weeks ago. They sent a whole range of products out, and yeah, we're going to try the wheel cleaner today. So let's read the back, see what it's all about, and then yeah, we've got some dirty wheels to try it on to see how well it cleans up. So this is a pH neutral wheel cleaner designed to remove iron from bare metal and painted surfaces. It causes a chemical reaction with iron that makes iron contaminants such as brake dust water soluble. And then it says safe to use on wheels and bodywork, and then directions is spray on wheels or bodywork, allowed to dwell until it turns red, 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse using water. Be careful when using in direct sunlight and do not allow to dry. So this is what we're going to do today. We've got some dirty wheels on this car, so yeah, we're gonna use it as a wheel cleaner because it does say wheel cleaner on the bottle. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll do the same as we normally do with wheel cleaners. On one wheel we'll sort of spray it on and leave it and then rinse it off, and then with another one we'll spray it on, agitate it, and then rinse it off, see if there's any difference. So now let's go ahead and we'll go further into the wheel and sort of see how it comes up. Okay, so you can see how dirty the wheel is. This hasn't been cleaned for well over 2 months, so yeah, the car's mainly just been sat and yeah, drove on the odd occasion, but it has been driven in the sort of rain, so it has got quite a bit of dirt on. So yeah, the first sort of test we're going to do is we're going to apply it, leave it 3 to 5 minutes like it says, and see how much it cleans of the actual wheel. So I know some of you are going to say that fallout removers aren't wheel cleaners, which I totally agree, but this does say on the bottle that it is a wheel cleaner. So we're going to use it as a wheel cleaner because, well, I'm just going on what the bottle says. So the smell isn't actually that strong like normal fallout removers, which is good because sometimes they are a bit too strong and smell sort of like a rotten egg. So now what we're going to do is we're going to leave that for 3 to 5 minutes. It's not in direct sunlight, so we're alright to leave it and it's not going to dry, and then yeah, we'll come back and jet wash that off. Okay, so it doesn't actually look like it's reacting with that much. There's not really much reaction going on, to be fair. So that's been on the car, well, on the wheel, sort of 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm just going to get the jet wash, we'll rinse it off, see sort of if it actually removes any of that dirt. Okay, so that is half the wheel rinsed off, and it has cleaned it up. Not bad. It's removed most of the dirt. As you can see on this side, there's still dirt on there. So I'm going to rinse it off, but I'm quite impressed with how much it's taken off without actually touching the wheel. So yeah, let's rinse this off, and then we'll go to the other side and actually spray it on, agitate it, and sort of see if there's any difference. Okay, so this time I've come to the front wheel, and what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to spray it on, leave it to dwell for 3 to 5 minutes like it says, and then yeah, if it hasn't reacted, then what we'll do, we'll try and agitate it, see see if it actually cleans any different to the back wheel. Okay, so it does look to be reacting a tiny bit more, not as much as I would have expected, but yeah, I can definitely see that it is reacting on some of the parts of the wheel. So yeah, it is doing its job and bringing all that iron out. It's just not turned like a very purpley like some of the other iron removers that we've tried. So what I'm going to do now is, because it's been on there 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to sort of agitate half the wheel so we can see a clear difference when we actually rinse it off. It actually foams up quite nice as a wheel cleaner, so it does make cleaning a bit more easier, because look, it has foamed up nice on that sort of half. So I'll just do these bits and then we'll rinse it off. There we go. So let's get the pressure washer, we'll rinse all that off and then we'll see the difference. So there's a massive difference between agitated and not. Like, you can still see the dirt here, which, rubbing my finger on it, does actually come off, but it has removed most of the surface dirt. There's just a few bits that do need agitating. That'll be a bit more tough to get off. But yeah, it's definitely made the wheel look a lot more presentable. It's not 100% clean, but without actually needing to agitate, it does remove most of the dirt. So what we'll do now, let's go back inside, sort of do a quick final review of my thoughts, and sort of let's look at the differences, and then yeah, I'll tell you where to get it from and what the actual price is. So you've just seen the application of the wheel cleaner, Iron Fallout, from dMAX. So we tried it on the back wheel, we just sprayed it and left it and then rinsed it off. It did clean up all right. It took some of the dirt off, but there's still some surface dirt on there, like you can clearly see. Then we went over to the front wheel, we sprayed it on, left it to dwell. Half the wheel I agitated with a brush, and then half I didn't, I just left. And then we rinsed it off to sort of see the differences. So the front wheel was a lot dirtier, and well, it has taken most of the dirt off without actually agitating it, and then you do need that agitation just to take the last sort of bits off that are a bit harder to get off. But as a sort of wheel cleaner, yeah, if you agitate it, it does clean the wheels up really well. As you saw on the front wheel, that half that I agitated, it did come up really well. So the price is $9.99. For that, you only get 500 mil. So which could be a bit expensive because you can't dilute it. We do like these sort of like more dilutable products, meaning that they last longer. But apart from that, the product works pretty well. The bottle, I must say, is really good quality. It's like really hard plastic, which means that if you do drop it, it's not going to split. Yeah, like the spray is like a normal plastic sprayer, but then the bottle, I don't know whether it's metal, but yeah, you cannot squeeze it. It's really solid, so that is a good thing. So yeah, that is the wheel cleaner iron fallout from dMAX. If you do want to try this product, or you're interested in sort of like what other products they've got, go over to their website, which I'll drop the link below, and yeah, you can see all the range that they've got, because they have got quite a lot of products, and we are going to try quite a few of them over the next sort of weeks to months, depending on how many videos we get put out. That's all from me for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, because we've got a lot of content coming up, and yeah, keep watching, because in the next few videos there will be a giveaway for you to win some prizes as well. So cheers, and we'll see you next time.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!